and it has been a great opportunity for me to be here at Tata IIS. We went around, first we had a good discussion here to understand what all this is about, and then we went around the campus. It's a fantastic place, and I understand this is one of the better places that I've seen where students of all ranks, right from IIT to ITI, can be trained, and I hope that we have better instruments also being brought into the metrology lab. We have state-of-art 3D printings. I saw the polymer ones, the plastic ones. We can also have something from the metal 3D printing, which could be better adapted to this motor industry. And what I really enjoyed was the cutout panels of the EV machines, equipments, motors, and the 3D printing portion was excellent. The welding part and the robotic part, they were also good, in the sense that usually when we see that ITI people get to know of all this only in the books, it will be a great pleasure for them to be here and enjoy, to see how the industry can work and can do better by adopting this practical practices. Thank you very much. It has been